now, Mike on close.
146 Victor, Teterboro Tower, squawk 0324. 146 Alpha Victor, squawk, reset transponder, squawk 0324.
0324.
6 Alpha Victor, altimeter 2988.
2988. Teterboro Tower, Charlie Foxtrot, Sierra Delta Sierra for 19.
Charlie Foxtrot, Sierra Delta Sierra, Teterboro Tower, wind 0309er, runway 19er, clear to land, safe parking.
Customs for Sierra Delta
6 Alpha Victor, fly heading 200.
200.
6 Alpha Victor, verify flying 200, turn right, fly heading 200. November 2, Charlie Foxtrot, turn right, when able, contact ground point 9er.
Contact ground point 9er, still to the Teterboro.
6 Alpha Victor, climb, maintain 1,500 immediately.
Is that me? 46 Alpha Victor?
146 Alpha Victor, you have to pay attention or you have to get out of my Delta. Climb and maintain 1,500. 146 Alpha Victor, you're making a left turn. We see you making a left turn. Continue your left turn all the way around, heading 190. You are descending. You have to climb.
Charlie Foxtrot, Sierra Delta Sierra, traffic 1 o'clock and 2.5 miles is a Cherokee at 600 eastbound.
Alpha Victor, turn immediately left, heading up 200, immediately.
I'm turning that way right now.
Alpha Victor, you have one more time to get this right or you have to get out of this airspace.
Yeah, I'm turning that way now.
And Tower, Phenom 420, Tango Juliet. Check it out.
420, Tango Juliet, Teterboro Tower, wind 007, runway 19er, clear to land, safe parking.
To land 19, we're going to Signature West, 0 Tango Juliet, former meridian.
Rock stage 4031, home short 24 rate.
Roger, sir, stand by, monitor the frequency, please.
6 Alpha Victor.
6 Alpha Victor, I need you to turn right, please. You're going towards my final on the runway 19er, so fly heading 200, please, for now. 6 Alpha Victor, Teterboro Tower.
That's Teterboro.
6 Alpha Victor, you see traffic is show final runway 19er citation. Do you have that traffic in sight?
I don't, he's behind me now. I have him in sight now, yes, I got him.
6 Alpha Victor, roger. I need you to climb to 1,500. 6 Alpha Victor, climb to 1,500 and turn left, fly overhead midfield at 1,500, please. Charlie Foxtrot, Sierra Delta Sierra, turn right on Juliet, contact ground point 9er.
Juliet over ground. Turning downward now for 24, is that right?
6 Alpha Victor, negative, sir. Fly the heading we told you to. 6 Alpha Victor, stay heading.
Well, right now I'm at 30.
6 Alpha Victor, turn right. 6 Alpha Victor, turn immediately right, 090. Turn right heading is 090, immediately. 6 Alpha Victor, respond.
Turning right immediately,
6
4
Alpha Victor, you cannot fly in this airspace. You cannot fly in this airspace.
Can I land? I mean, I'm a tenant here at Teterboro.
6 Alpha Victor, you cannot land here if you cannot comply with our instructions. You cannot. Maintain 1,500.
5549, ILS 19.
Let me in now, please.
549, reduce the final approach speed, and number 2, the field traffic short final of Phenom.
Slow to final approach speed for accepted 549.
549, running 19, clear to land.
Snyder Foxtrot, ready for departure with Toledo.
In now. I'm a tenant here. I've been here for 14 years.
Number 6 Alpha Victor, roger. If you look ahead and to your left, is a latitude on a 2-mile final. Do you have that traffic in sight?
Yeah, I got him.
Number 6 Alpha Victor, plan to follow that traffic to land runway 19er.
Okay, I'll follow him and land on 19, 46 Alpha Victor.
You got 549 traffic heading to your left. If this Cherokee has you in sight, we'll follow you.
Victor 549 is confirmed, could land 19.
You're 549 affirmative. You're clear to land runway 19.
324, 1.5, 2, inbound on the RDA 19.
Exit 324, reduced to final approach speed. Traffic, slow as practical. Traffic is a Cherokee on 1.5 mile left base for runway 19er.
Roger, we'll slow down to slow as practical, 324.
6 Alpha Victor, do you have runway 19er in sight?
I do.
Number 6 Alpha Victor, runway 19er, clear to land. You're inside the traffic at longitude on a 4-mile final for runway 19er.
Okay, I got it. 46 Alpha Victor.
Number 6 Alpha Victor, runway 19er, clear to land.
Clear to land on 19, 46 Alpha Victor.
There's 324, that traffic now is a short final for runway 19er. There's 324, runway 19er, clear to land, wind 080 at 5.
Clear to land, 19, 324.
November 6 Alpha Victor, turn right on Echo. That's the first taxiway right there. Turn right on Echo. Contact ground point 9er, 121.9er. Number 6 Alpha Victor.
121.9. Playing the ground.
Thank you. Sir 549, hold your position, please.
We'll hold for this guy, Victor 549.
Yeah, he's with disaster.
Teterboro Brown, this is Piper 146 Alpha Victor. I just landed at 19, got off at Echo, and I'm going into Signature West.
And 146 Alpha Victor, make the right turn on Gulf and hold short of runway 24.
Turn on Gulf and hold short of 24, 46 Alpha Victor. I don't believe this, the plane doesn't stop.
Again? 6 Alpha Victor, what are you doing?
6
Alpha Victor, why are you crossing my runway?
Didn't fix the brakes. I'm going across, I'm sorry.
6 Alpha Victor, hold your position right now. 6 Alpha Victor, hold your position right now.
Put in the emergency brake on.
Put the emergency brake on and hold your position and let me know when you're ready to talk to me.
I'm ready to talk to you. I don't even believe this.
146 Alpha Victor, prospect. Your phone number down?
It's going right in here to Signature West.
146 Alpha Victor, stand by. 146 Alpha Victor, possible pilot deviation. Advise when you're ready to copy down a phone number. 146 Alpha Victor, advise when you're ready to possible pilot deviation.
Go ahead, you can read the number.
146 Alpha Victor, 201-462. Read it back to me so I can make sure you got the right number.
201-462.
Alright, I'm waiting for a phone call. Continue Papa to Signature West.
I'm sorry about got this plane from Caldwell and the brake systems don't work. I don't even believe it.
Unfortunately, no excuse is good enough. Continue Papa to Signature West and give us a call.
Teterboro ground, Teterboro 99, do you still
Teterboro 9 affirmative. Go to Signature West, follow that Cherokee to the ramp. We need him to give us a call ASAP.
Copy.